Alright, we're here today to show you how to put on a bobtail nose assembly under your hydraulic tool. This is the inner part with the puller, and on the inner part you'll see there is a flat spot right here, and we're going to screw that on to the piston of the tool, just to where this flat spot gets buried into the collar portion of the tool. Now I do want to show you on the piston of the tool there's 4 grooves. I'm going to show you those before we cover them up, because once we bury this flat spot, we're going to want to get this ball, which goes in and out, to drop down and lock into one of these grooves. So we're going to go ahead and screw it on there. Everything's hand tight, so there's no tools required to put this on. And again, we're looking at this flat spot. It's going in deeper. It's almost there. Okay, now it's just in there. So now we're going to find this ball, we're going to put our finger on it and just go just a little bit more so the ball falls concave into the groove. Now that should be pretty close to where we're at. Sometimes you have to adjust them. We're going to take the outer piece. We're going to slide it on. Slide it all the way back, just to make sure we're where we should be, and it looks about right, because it shouldn't be any more than 1/4 of an inch of this puller sticking out from the front. We're going to take a fastener, we're going to put it in there, and what happens if we're too far down, that part that we screwed on, we won't be able to put this portion of the fastener in there, because the puller will close. And if we're too far out, it'll be too loose. But this is really good right here. It's perfect. We're able to put it in. I can feel it's already starting to grab it a little bit. So it should grab it no problem. These are just retaining collars. They slide right on like this. And then there's a retaining sleeve. It's going to hold all that into place. And you'll need a pair of snap ring pliers. And we're just going to put this, it'll hold the whole assembly together. And that's it.